Hello everyone, here we got a pair of wireless earbuds and today we're gonna be blowing them up. This is the BackBeat Fit from Plantronics. I found this lying around at my school, but a couple of the buttons were already missing. And while I was playing around with them, I lost the other buttons. And now there is none left. And because there are no buttons on there, I don't know how to work one of these things. So that is basically why I'm gonna be blowing them up. They're technically useless without any labeled buttons. But before we blow them, let's check out what's inside. We'll be starting off with the left side. As you could see, it already broke off. I'll set that aside. Here's a circuit board and the wires going from the other side. So here's the plastic that holds it together. And this is where a couple of the buttons originally were. And now here's another wrapper. And I think that's actually the battery. And now let's check out the speaker. Well, that's disgusting. Look at all that earwax that accumulated there. And now we'll see what's underneath. And we got the speaker. Alright, so the wires that were already on the speaker broke off. So that's why I'll be holding it while it's blowing. Hopefully I won't get burned or electrocuted. And since the surround is already lifting up, I'm expecting it to flap around and maybe some surprises. So without further ado, here we go. Oh, it came out. Check that out. It's smoking. Oh yeah. Well, that was pretty cool. That gave off a decent amount of smoke. And I was correct. The coil did come out. And it flapped around to produce a pretty funny and cool smoke show. And now, let's check out the other side. Both wires still intact, and the wiring still looks pretty fresh compared to the other side. So I gotten it out, and this contains most of the circuitry along with the USB charger. And these are the two buttons, although they don't have labeling, so I couldn't tell which is which. And we'll take this speaker apart as well. Just like the other side, this one has a bunch of dirt and wax underneath. Now the other speaker is connected, and just like the other one, I'm expecting it to flap around and produce a significant amount of smoke. So here we go. No, don't smoke yet. Come on. There we go. Ugh. Just like the other speaker, the coil popped out, and it gave off a pretty cool smoke show as well. Well, that's about it for the BackBeat Fit. So, if you enjoyed it, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't hesitate to subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.